Hey guys, so starting today, I will try to make daily crypto NFT alpha. So this is the first episode where I will be just going through the latest news, something that is happening in crypto, basically alpha that I think might be valuable for people, even if I don't use all the opportunities. I think many people will take advantage of many of these opportunities that I will talk about, and there is something to talk about every day. That's why I will be trying to make these every day. So this is the first crypto alpha, crypto NFT episode. And first of all, even if you don't have Pudgy Penguin, if you don't have any NFT from Pudgy ecosystem, I am begging you to check your allocation because you might get some tokens. Even people that are the Ethereum OGs, Solana OGs, and what I mean by OG, that you have been using wallet, you have been basically actively participating on Ethereum, on Solana for the last, I think, 1 to 2 years. That's why if you're in this crypto space, you might I think you will qualify. And what you do, you go on this website, link will be in the description. You basically sign with your MetaMask and basically Ethereum and Solana wallet. You basically connect one. Here, first of all, they are already telling me that I have a cluster. It's basically an app, the ENS app. Basically, I have my John Savage domain name. And you add this to the claim. You sign a transaction. So let's wait for MetaMask. Okay, let's confirm. Now I will link my Solana wallet. It is Phantom. So if you have been using Ethereum like MetaMask or Solana wallet or other wallet, you can basically qualify for some tokens. So confirm. And here you can see I basically claimed my allocation, which was 8,151, and I sold it like for $450. That's why, and I am not holding any Pudgy Penguins, basically NFT. There are many ways that you can qualify for many tokens, like bridging to the abstract basically network that they are. I think Pudgy Penguins own. The Lucanet's the owner of Pudgy Penguins own the abstract blockchain. That's why if you have done some transactions, just check your wallet connect, and most likely you will get some. I got like 8,000 Pudgy Pengu tokens. My brother had like 5,000. He is, I think he was an Ethereum OG and Solana OG as well. That's why first alpha is check your wallet. If you are active in crypto, just check your wallet. Second alpha I want to talk about is abstract. Now, what is abstract? This is basically, I think this is owned by the Pudgy Penguin CEO, the Igloo, basically one of the companies. And if you were using this abstract before, you got like 100,000 Pengu tokens as well, which was like $9,000 or something like that. So if you were using this, you will qualify for like 100,000 and more tokens. And now why I am talking about this, because there will most likely be another airdrop, because this is a testnet, abstract testnet, where you can earn points. Here you can see again that this website, this link will be in the description. So you basically connect your wallet, you will get 25 points. Like post, you will get 5 points. Also do some activities on their testnet. I don't know how you can do them, but I will do my research and I will just do some transactions on abstract testnet because I want to qualify for the airdrop. Also, you can basically get in the referrals, points from referral. Here you can see 15 points for each referral, so another way you can earn points. And here's leaderboard. I have only 10 points because I haven't done anything, but I will do as fast as I finish this video. So that's a alpha number 2. Basically, you will get most likely an airdrop. If you own a pudgy penguin, I think you will get a big amount of airdrop from Abstract because it makes sense. Now, the third alpha is 90cc. Basically, this is a project owned by G Money, and they basically sold out their black box mint, NFT mint. And here you can see there is 2,750 items, and one item sold for around 0.069 Ethereum. And this drop sold out in like 30 seconds. I was not minting, but I was watching how fast it will mint out. And this 30 seconds is insane because I don't think NFTs are quite back yet. But the fact that it minted out so fast is a great sign for NFTs and great sign for this basically G Money project. And why I am talking about this project is because the main NFT is Admit 1. And here you can see there are only 1,000 Admit 1 NFTs, which means that if this goes popular, if this goes crazy like it went in 2022, because the highest market cap for this NFT was, here you can see, 19 Ethereum. And right now, the floor price is 0.40 for Ethereum. I'm looking at the fact that this NFT by G Money basically sold out in 30 seconds. I think the demand for this Admit 1, because I think the next drops will be strictly for Admit 1 holders first. And if they don't mint out, the public will be able to mint out. But I think this is the reason why Admit 1 will go up in value significantly. I think that previous all-time high will be reached when we go in a full NFT euphoria, most likely in 2025. That's my opinion, and this is not a financial advice. By the way, I own one Admit 1 ticket because I think the upside is really, really huge. Now, the alpha number 4 is Goblintown. Now, Goblintown sold for around 0.1 Ethereum a few days ago. Now, it went to 0.6 Ethereum. Now it basically dumped down a little bit to 0.44. And why? Here you can see they basically tweeted this. And many people think that they will be dropping a token because Goblintown, I think, is the first NFT meme, the first successful NFT meme which went crazy like in May 2022. And I remember I was selling NFT for 7 Ethereum. It shows that 5.7 was the biggest sale, but average price. But I sold this for like 7 Ethereum. I bought it for 0.7 and sold it for, I think, 10x, maybe 8x. But since then, the price has been dumping. And right now, again, they basically posted this post where there is some red button, do not press, so nobody knows what this will be, but people are talking about airdrop. And one more thing, if you own this Goblintown NFT, you could get a more PENGU, and there was like 20 NFT collections that qualify for this PENGU airdrop as well. That's why if you have some old NFTs, some cool cats, some doodles, something like that, you will qualify for the PENGU tokens. That's why if you have some old NFTs from 2022, 2021, check your wallet, connect your wallet, and you will get some allocation. Now, the next alpha I want to talk about is Goda Pass. Now, the Goda Pass is basically a meme pass. And again, this is one of my favorite projects. These were selling for like 11 Ethereum. Right now, the floor price is 0.13. Only 1,000 items. Why I am bullish on Goda Pass is because the team is insane. And here I will show you Goda team. Basically, you have Pharrell Williams, you have Cavs, They haven't yet dropped a Cavs NFT drop, but I think they're waiting for NFTs to go up to basically go in euphoria mode. And when this Cavs, if this Cavs NFT drop, if he releases something, for example, 1,000 items, and I think Cavs is one of the most expensive fine art artists, I think the Goda Pass, Gold Mean Pass will go straight to the like 5 Ethereum, 10 Ethereum price, because there are fans of this particular artist. But it's not all. There are so many huge people in this project. That's why, looking at the fact that they have been tweeting basically like 18 hours ago, they tweeted this because they are dropping a new basically vinyl drop from I think someone from Japan, like Iwamura. You can see his Instagram. He has around 120,000 followers, which is quite huge. That's why I am basically, I understand and I know 100% that drop will sell out fast. And when drops sell out fast, the NFTs go up. That's why I think after this, the Goda Pass, the Goda team will come back, because for the last few months since summer, this project has been quite quiet, because I think crypto went down, NFTs went down. That's why I think when this sells out, there are like 350 pieces only. That's why I think it will basically sell out quite fast. If you can see, let's click on it. So there will be basically these items from vinyl, and there are 3 colors. Some like the blue one, the purple one, some like the gold one. I like the gold one. I don't think I will be buying this, but if you're a fan of collecting real art, you might be interested. And I'm more interested in these Gold Pass, especially a drop from Cavs, and I hope he will drop something. But overall, I think this is a great alpha, because Gold Pass, again, only 1,000 items for the Gold Pass NFTs. I also made a previous video, and the floor price went like from 0.09 to 0.13. That's why we are getting some sales. And yeah, if this project comes back properly, and I don't know if it comes back, maybe they don't come back, who knows? Everything is possible on crypto and NFTs. But if they come back, the upside is insane, because again, this was selling for around 10 to 11 Ethereum. Right now it is like 0.011. If it goes back, I think that's like 100x from now. That's why there is a huge upside. If this doesn't continue, if this project just dies or stops delivering, that's okay for me. Not that big investment, but the upside is huge, and that's why I think this is a great alpha. And lastly, if you are trading crypto, if you haven't started to trade crypto but you want to start, and if you want to start trading on centralized exchanges, you can use my referral code to get a big bonus, up to $30,000 in rewards for trading. You can use my referral link. The referral link is in the description and in the comment section for Bybit exchange. So if you want some free trading bonuses for trading, you can use my referral link. All links are in the description. And if you enjoyed this video, press like, press subscribe, press the notification bell, so every time I upload, you get a notification instantly and you don't miss out on alpha like this. So thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.